Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica J. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, that's my heart from me to you, because I truly love each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you for tuning in. It is such a pleasure for you to have me on your screen. In today's video, we are doing a review of Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Foundation. It's supposed to give you this flawless coverage, make you look so beautiful. The internet is raving about it, so I wanted to give it a try. If you're interested in seeing exactly how it turned out, stay tuned. If you're into videos about fashion, beauty, self-care, and luxury, please consider subscribing to my channel. I upload twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Let's get right into it, y'all, without further ado. So I already primed my face with my Milk Hydro Gel Primer. This is my hands down my favorite primer, y'all. I have really extremely dry skin, so this does the trick every time. You can also wear this even if you're not about to put on foundation, if you want something that's just gonna really moisturize your face. All right, so here's my Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation, and I am going to use Warm Charred. It's number 9. So before I put this on, I want to let you guys know how I found my shade, because I did order this on Sephora.com. I went on Foundation, that's Foundation, I'm going to link it below, where I put in like 2 shades of other brands that I use, and it calculated the formula and gave me what shade I would be in the Charlotte Tilbury. That's very important, because you don't want to guess when you're ordering on the internet and have to send stuff back. All right, so here it is, and I have my sponge already wet. And all right, so here is what it looked like. It's Shard number 9. I'm gonna just start applying on my face. It's supposed to be medium coverage, long wearing. I'm gonna do a wear test to see. I have like some videos to film today, so I'm gonna see just how long it lasts. Maybe just 4 or 5 hours though, not too long. I just want to see how it does, and I'm gonna just apply it with a sponge. And I like to apply my makeup with a sponge. Oop, it's running right there. A sponge and a brush. I'm just like weird like that. So usually what I'll do is just sponge a little bit of it out and then take a brush and finish it with the brush. So the color is dead on. I think the color match did a really good job, right? I think it worked really well. I'm impressed. I do like that. Let me press it in some more and get really close so you guys can see across my jawline. That looks really good, y'all. Like, I think they did really good with the coverage. Let's smooth out the rest. All right, guys, so I have finished applying the foundation, and I just want to say that it goes on really easy. It feels very moisturizing too, right? Which is like weird in some foundations, right? But this feels really good. It says that it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for your skin. And it does a pretty good job with the coverage, and I'm super impressed by the color matching, right? Because a lot of times with have very light skin, sometimes foundations come out very orange. Like, this is like perfect. Like, it is dead on. Like, I couldn't have asked for like a better color match. But anyway, and let me show you something, guys. I pumped out way too much, so I'm gonna have to like wipe that off. You literally only need like legit probably like 1 good pump. Like, I'm used to having to do it like 3 or 4 times to get a good amount, you know, to spread it out and make everything look even. But you really only need like 1 pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and add on some concealer. And sometimes I mix up my concealer just depending on like how highlighted I want to look. So I use my NARS concealer, and that was in the shade, oopsies, Chestnut. And I'm gonna put a little bit of the Overachiever, the color Overachiever, and the concealer is Huda Beauty. I'm just gonna add, it's really light and I know this, so I'm only gonna add a tad bit. And it's just because today I'm feeling like I want to look a little bit more highlighted in some areas, just down my nose and underneath my eyes. Okay guys, so what do you think? I think this is very flawless. I am gonna go back and try some Charlotte Tilbury concealer. This was actually my first time trying any product made by Charlotte Tilbury, so I didn't wanna go crazy, go overboard and buy the whole line until I can review the foundation and see if I like that first. This foundation, like my favorite foundation today is Too Faced. I don't know y'all, I think if the wear test turns out good, if this wears and it doesn't run or it doesn't start to oxidize really bad, because I have noticed that with my skin, a lot of foundations, the oxidation is terrible. I end up looking just super crazy. So if it doesn't oxidize too bad and it basically stays in place and this color tone does not change, I think that Charlotte Tilbury just gave Too Faced a run for its money. Okay guys, so I stepped off camera and finished my makeup. Let me know how you think it turned out. I'm feeling real cute. I'm feeling real Beyonce-ish. I need a fan with the wind blowing, baby. Like, I need some effects. But anyway, I'm gonna check back in with you guys in about 4 hours. I'm gonna film a couple of videos and we'll touch base and we'll see how the wear test ended up. All right guys, it's the moment of truth. Your girl is tired. I just filmed for 4 hours and then cleaned up and mopped and vacuumed off my floors. I don't know, I'm super tired. Look at my lash, y'all. It's literally about to pop off my face. But some final thoughts about this foundation. I am really pleased with the color, right? Like I told you before, a lot of foundations, like over time, the color changes and it just looks a lot darker. I feel like the color just stayed the same. It did not oxidize, which I absolutely loved. And if it did just a little bit, I can't tell the difference in the color change. Like, let me know what you guys think, right? Like nothing changed, everything stayed in place rather. And I did set it with some translucent powder from Laura Mercier, just to let you know. But I do feel like I really want to try the whole line now with their own products to see how everything works together. I'm just really pleased, y'all. Like it wore really well, and on camera, like too, when I felt like, excuse me, when I started to film. So from the time that I left you guys and started filming my videos, it was about an hour because of prep and all that. I feel like the foundation set even better because I feel like it had like a dewy, glowy like finish. It was just so perfect to me. I can't wait to edit my video, my Zara haul. So keep watch out for that. I think it's gonna turn out amazing, y'all. I'm really impressed with the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. Like I don't have anything bad to say. And again, I'm just really pleased with the color because a lot of times the foundations for me, like hours later, the tone, the color changes just a little bit and it's a little darker than my actual skin color. So it always really makes me look older and just a lot weird. And it didn't do that. So this is definitely a keeper in my foundation arsenal. I love it. And like, yeah, like I have nothing bad to say. Guys, if you like videos like this about fashion, beauty, luxury, and self-care, consider following your girl. I upload twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I would love for you to have me on your screen. And until the next time, guys, thanks for watching. You know what I'm gonna do. If you're a loyal subscriber, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna say peace. All right, guys, until the next video, peace. Love you guys. Bye.